Welcome to this brief demonstration on how a payment service provider can enable in-app payments, that is, payments originating from a mobile app. The software needed to enable this demo, like the sample merchant app, the Android mobile payment library, and the backend payment simulator, has been put together by RS Software's mobile engineering team. Let us now start with the sample merchant app, a bookstore. Here we can scroll through a list of books, select an item, and long press to add it to the cart. Let me add one more book and then attempt to check out the cart. Here we see a pay option. Now typically, users at this point would be redirected to a web-based interface for completing the payment process. However, let us go ahead and tap on pay and see what happens. We are asked to select between two payment service providers, PSP1 and PSP2. Good enough, we choose PSP1, and what do we see? We see that we are presented with a login screen in-app. Now how did that happen? This happened because here the far-sighted payment service provider has provided a mobile library in partnership with RS Software, and in turn the mobile app developers have integrated that mobile library into the merchant app, thus enabling in-app payment. So as we attempt to login is done, and we can tap on pay to confirm the payment. So as the payment process is the transaction is being processed, we can quickly see that how the set of screens that represent the payment process is coming from the mobile library. So payment is done. So we quickly see how in-app payment was enabled through a mobile library by the payment service provider.